The custom AutoWorks Raptor style LED grille lights are the modification you are looking for to really make your 2018 F-150 stand out from the rest. They give unique Raptor-like styling in a subtle and classy way, all with a simple plug-and-play installation. To start the install, remove the push clips from the radiator cover and air intake snorkel. Then the cover can pull off the truck. There are 4 more push clips in the top of the grille to remove as well. This will allow us to separate the grille from the truck just enough to install the light bracket. The lights can be slid in through the center of the grille and up to the top, where the light bracket will slide in between the grille and upper support. The 2 screw holes in the light bracket will line up with existing holes in the top of the grille. Once the lights are set in place, you can install the screws. Now the power wire can be threaded through the grille and worked its way over to the driver's side headlight. At this point, we can also replace the 4 clips in the top of the grille. Over to the headlight connection, we must remove the intake snorkel, which involves removing the retaining bolt and pulling the snorkel out from the intake box. Now that we have access to the headlight, the wire harness for the Raptor lights can work its way over to the back of the headlight. Use the included plug-and-play wire harness splitter connection to tap the Raptor light harness into the middle amber running light connection. It is a small space to work with, but it can be done. Replace the snorkel and its retaining bolt to the intake box, then work your way back up to the radiator cover and its push pins to complete the installation.
The Raptor style grille lights are a really awesome mod that's very affordable and very simple. As you can see, they just fit right within the grille here and look really nice on the front of the truck. They give it a little bit more of an aggressive style that is obviously similar to what the Raptors come with from factory. And they're pretty good as far as longevity is concerned as well. We've ran a lot of these sets on other trucks that we've had, and we've never had issues with them wearing out or the LEDs blowing out or any problems with the wiring. So definitely a really nice option if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to change the look of your truck.